So hello, I'm making this video, and in the middle of the video there's a problem with my PC. So let's start again. So here we need to duplicate 3. Then I just need to put the um, reviews for now. Okay, just so here it is, and we just need a lister. Star here, and here also just need a lister. So here it is, and now we need one thing, that this section. So just I think we are done with the review part. Now we need this section to duplicate, and this section I think we already done with the 2 section. So don't worry about that. Let's do one thing. Let's delete and save to. So in case we need, then I can use them in another space. Okay, so here section 01, save. And here section 02. So let's reload it, and now here are 2 sections and 1 footer left. So here we are, here. So here are our listened section, and here is another section. So it is okay. So what we need to do, we need to do one thing. So all things are good, just here I am showing you magic. So here our column, we just convert it here. See, I think this is the easiest way to do a section like that way. Just, and now we need to remove the background. Okay, so where is our background? I think, where are you? Okay, I think, oh, we don't have one. So we need one. Okay, I got it. We got it now. So we almost done with our pages. See, here it is. Now just we need to change some of the text. Okay, and rest of the part is similar as it is. So So this one is like that. This one is like that. Okay, okay. Let's click save. So in the first section, what we do? So in the first section, we did a small mistake about text. Okay, we need to put it in English. Sorry. So now click save. Okay. So we almost done. Okay. Now we need to add a footer. So then we are done with our design. So let's click. Sorry. Let's take. Okay. So we need to take a paragraph here. What if we need to take the same? So you can see if we do that, this is not a good one. Okay. So in the next video, I'll show you the footer. For now, it's okay.